Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Wishing you all happy New Year 2026. Last class, I have already discussed about the solutions, particular solution of differential equations. Let us today discussing about new chapter in differential equation, that is known as linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay. So write down the most general form, the most general form of linear differential equation. Linear differential equation is given by dy dx plus px into y is equal to qx. It is a function of x. Here it is also function of x. Here it is a dependent variable. Here it is a independent variable. This dependent variable must be multiplied here, and it is a function of x. So this is the most general form of linear differential equation. Dy dx plus px into y is equal to qx. So how can you solve this type of linear differential equation? First of step 1, find the integrating factor. This is the step 1. Integrating factor means if e to the power p dx. This is the formula, e to the power p dx. P means this is function of x. Integrating factor e to the power p dx. Solution, write down solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor whole into dx. Okay, this is the solution of the differential equation. Use e to the power log e fx is equal to fx when necessary. E to the power log backsaw is equal to backsaw. Here it is the base, here it is also base 7. E, here it is e. So e to the power log backsaw is equal to backsaw. You have to use it. Okay. So this is the most general form of linear differential equation of type 1. Dy dx plus px into y is equal to qx. First of all, you have to find the integrating factor, if, e to the power p dx. P means here, whatever may be here, p dx. A solution means y, dependent variable, into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor. Q means here, whatever be there. So okay, so this is the most general form of linear differential equation. Using this, how can you solve the problem? So write down one example. Dy dx plus e to the power y is equal to e to the power minus x. Here it is y. Dy dx plus y is equal to e to the power minus x. So this is the linear differential equation, because here it is dy dx, px is 1 here, into y is equal to qx. Write down this is linear differential equation. This is the linear differential equation. Px is 1 here. Write down px is equal to 1. The coefficient of y is known as a px. Qx is known as e to the power minus x. Whatever may be here, that is treated as a qx. Okay. So first of all, you have to recognize the coefficient of y is treated as a px. It is 1. Qx is e to the power minus x. A coefficient of dy dx must be equal to 1. So there is nothing to be done. Here it is 1. So this is the most general form. So write down. First of all, you have to find the integrating factor. Write down integrating factor if. If is equal to e to the power p dx. Integrating factor e to the power p dx. P means 1 here. So here it is dx. Integration of dx, that is e to the power x. Then step 3, solution. Write down solution y into integrating factor q into integrating factor whole into dx. So y, here it is integrating factor e to the power x, q is here e to the power minus x, integrating factor e to the power x into dx. E to the power minus x into e to the power x, that is cancelled. Base equal, power will be added. Integration of dx, that is x plus c. So that is the answer. Y is equal to y plus e to y into e to the power x is equal to x plus c. This is the answer of this question. So this is the solution of a differential equation, of linear differential equation. So write down another example. Question number 2. S square plus 1 into dy dx plus 2x into y is equal to s square plus 1. This is the differential equation. Now it is not in the linear differential equation. So the coefficient of dy dx must be equal to 1. But here the coefficient of dy dx is x square plus 1. First of all, we have to dividing throughout x square plus 1. Dividing, write down dividing throughout x square plus 1. So we get dy dx plus 2x divided by x square plus 1 into y is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. This cancel. Now it is a linear differential equation. Now it is a linear differential equation. dy dx, here it is px into y is equal to qx. This is, write down, this is linear differential equation, LD. LD means linear differential equation. P is here 2x by x square plus 1. Q is 1. Q means qx, function of x, that is 1. Now we have to find the integrating factor. Write down integrating factor if e to the power p dx, that is e to the power integral of 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. Opere derivative tole function. We know one formula. Opere derivative thibo, tole function thibo. Integration ln fx. This is fx and whose derivative is 2x. So e to the power ln s square plus 1. Now we have already discussed e to the power ln backsaw is equal to backsaw. Backsaw means whatever may be here. Here it is s square plus 1. Here it is s square plus 1. Okay. Now solution. Write down solution is equal to y into integrating factor. Always remember q into integrating factor whole into dx. So y into integrating factor. Integrating factor means s square plus 1. Here it is q means 1. Here it is s square plus 1 into dx. Now integration of x square dx, that is sq by 3, integration of dx, that is x plus c. Never forget to give the arbitrary constant, because order of the differential equation is 1. So there must be one arbitrary constant come in the general solution. Okay, the number of arbitrary constant comes in the general solution must be equal to the order of the differential equation. So this is the answer of this question. Now let us take another example. Write down another question. dy dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to sin x by x. dy dx plus question, important question. dy dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to sin x by x. So this is the linear differential equation. Write down this is linear differential equation. This is the linear differential equation because px is 1 by x. The coefficient of y, px is equal to 1 by x. Qx is equal to sin x by x. Okay. First of all, we have to find the integrating factor. Write down integrating factor if e to the power p dx, that is e to the power 1 by x dx. Integration of dx by x, that is e to the power ln x, e to the power ln x. E to the ln backside is equal to backside. So integrating factor is coming out x. So this is the second step of linear differential equation. Write down the solution. Solution, write down y into integrating factor, q into integrating factor whole into dx. So y integrating factor is x, q means sin x by x, integrating factor x into dx. This x cancelled with this x. So y into x. We know that integration of sin x dx, that is minus cos x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel. Thank you to all.